everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to be checking out Target's Dollar Spot Bullseye's Playground. $5 for this can holder. $5 for this can holder. Those are nice for the fridge or the pantry. Storage bin, $5. Cute laundry containers for your dryer sheets. Instead of using the box, you could use this metal one. $5 for this folding step stool. Comes in green, blue, and gray. Same with the boot tray, $5. Same colors. $3 for the produce saver container. $5 for the larger one with 2 compartments. So many really nice, aesthetically pleasing storage containers. This fridge storage bin is $3. Looks like it can hook to your shelf and hang underneath of it for some extra storage space in your fridge. $3 for this reusable duster. Comes in different colors, gray, blue. A 3-pack of the microfiber cloths are $3. They have them in this green, blue, or a black and gray set. Dryer balls, you get 2 for $3. This scrub brush and holder is $3. These scrub brushes are also $3. 2 different kinds. Silicone label bands, you get 2 of them. Use a permanent marker to write on them. Those are $1. Now these are linen elastic organizer bands. You use them for your sheets or your comforters, king size, full/queen, twin size. These are good if you want to organize your linen closet and you have a hard time figuring out what size is which because you have so much. These are felt storage bins. They come in white or like a charcoal gray. They're in the shape of a cube. These are 5. These ones here are 3. That would be cute for your dog toys or your cat toys. Maybe in your mudroom with some scarves and gloves in it. $3 for these bottles, spray bottles or soap bottles. They come in 3 different colors with the matte black top. $5 for these 2 glass storage containers with the natural wood tops on them. $5 for the smaller version, you get 4 of those. They come in different colors also, green, blue, or clear. That seems to be a theme. These are spice jars, $3 for 4, silver or black tops. These are pumps, $5, and $5 for these canisters in 2 different sizes. Here's a better view of the colors of those jars. This electric bottle brush is 5. Toilet footstool is 5. Glasses, they're readers, they're $3. Green or black. I didn't see any blue. $3 for this headphone stand. $5 desk lamp. It's a cream color. These clocks, $5, cream and blue. $3 for this metal headphone stand. It's white. $5 for these acrylic boards. These are really nice. You can screw these into the wall. I actually made a couple of these for myself, and they're very handy, and they're very aesthetically pleasing too. We have one on the side of the fridge for a menu, and then one in the mudroom. There's a calendar on it. These desk mats are $3. And if you want them to say something else, you could probably use some nail polish remover or something and get it off of there. These are miniature wind-up paper shredders, hand crank. These are foldable mouse pads. There's a little pocket in it. They're $3, come in 3 different colors. Yeah, and then if you have like a Cricut or something, you could do vinyl words and like a calendar line if you want a calendar on it. Sorry, $5 for those mouses, $5 for these massagers. That's what I ended up doing. These headache masks are really cool, hot, cold head wraps. Those are $5. These are $5. They're neck wraps. Infuser, $5. Come in blue or clear, maybe even green, but they didn't have that at my store. These are Açaí bowl and spoon set. Those are glass. Salad shaker. They have a salad dressing holder. Those are glass. $5. Overnight oats container and spoon set. Pink and clear. These are food mold trays. They're $3 for these two. Those would be really cute if you have a dog and you make popsicles or maybe some frozen yogurt pops or something. $5 for this water bottle ice cube mold. This is $1. It's a drain basket. $3 for the butter slicer. This egg holder is $3. It's also dishwasher safe. Storage bin with dividers, $3. Those would be nice for the pantry for snacks like granola bars and fruit snacks. Food prep mixing bowl. You could slice your fruits or your veggies or your cheese. This is a breadboard, $5. $5 for these rotating storage bins and a rotating storage tray. That one has different sections. $5 for this throw pillow. There's so many really nice kitchen options and storage options. $5 for that throw pillow and this storage or round basket. $3 for these baskets. You get a 2-pack, white or gray. $5 for the stackable wooden bin. There's a divider in there. This is a foldable lap desk for $5. The lid opens up and there's a couple options inside for storage. paper, pencils. A stackable wire basket, $5. These are for your bags. It stores your bags and your Ziplocs, $5 for those. $5 for this wire basket. $3 for this plastic tray. I think that should only be $1. I think that's a little high for that. Everything else seems pretty reasonably priced, pretty good deals. $5 for that stackable bin. These are dry erase bin clips for $1. They have different color options. Removable compartment caddy. They have pink, blue, and clear. Those are $3. These are paint trays. Those are $3. This is a cosmetic display case for $5. It comes in pink or white. Beauty organizer, $5. Stackable bins, different color options there again. White, pink, blue, $5. $3. This is a rotating organizer. Those would be cute for pencils or markers or makeup brushes and makeup. $3 for these glass canisters. That's like a tan color, and then there's also clear. $5 for these vases. Amber teak wood, eucalyptus woods, palm leaf basil. $3 for those candles. These trinket dishes are $1. They are glass. $3 for those trays. They were ceramic. 2-pack of dish towels, $5. This is a $3 vase. This is a vase, $3. A love letter. Decorative pillow, $5. $3 for these teacups. The mugs with the lid. Açaí, $5 pillow. These mugs are really cute with the coasters. These are $5. A pink frosted donut. And a heart coaster. $5. Heart-shaped bowl with the lid. Metal tray here is $5 with the gold trim and the gold feet. Charcuterie board. You get a wooden board, a spreader, a cheese knife, and a serving fork for $5. $5 for these glass flutes, pink or clear. This 2 set of glasses is $5. $5 for this ceramic vessel with the lid. Those would be cute if you put chocolates in it or some jewelry. I love you or I heart you, $5. Trinkets, $3. cupcake, a slice of cake, and a macaroon that matches the pillow that we seen earlier. Makeup brush holders, $3. Sugared lavender candle, enchanting pear, strawberry kiss, $3. Those are really cute. These jars are really nice. Those are $3. They look like those antique candy dishes that your grandma would have out. Flocked storage, they have a bow, a heart, and some red lips. Those were $3. $5 for the taper candle holder set. They have a few different styles of these really cute plush dogs for $3. Those are adorable. Storage boxes, $3. This Target dollar spot is really nice. I love it. Let me know what you guys think down below. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you guys.